Babe, look, a mustache.
Babe, you're not 10 years old. Can you stop? That is so cringy.
Like, come here, let me tickle you.
Oh my god, what are you doing? Why are you so annoying? You always do this shit.
Yeah, my bad.
Can you stop? You're actually being kind of annoying and you're embarrassing me. We're in public.
Jordan, Jordan, stop. Jordan, you're being annoying. We're in the store. Go next to the basket. Chill out. Put your hand on the basket. Chill out. Yes, you're being annoying, dude.
You're so annoying, bro. Like, fuck, get out of here. You're being annoying me. What, now you're butthurt or what? Show me the video, I was just kidding.